before. So I'm just looking for that previous day high. And a quick thought on back, everybody. Let's continue with the show, right? Let's continue with the show. It seems like we bounced very nicely off the liquidity void right there. Look at this. I'm not trusting the long position yet. Hey, Green, what's up? Good to see you back. So I'm not trusting any long positions. You don't like the... you will like it, don't worry. You'll be used to it. You'll get used to it. It was just the first run right now, so it was the first test run. It will be awesome, and it's still already, I think it's good, by the way. We definitely needed some music. We needed more information on the chart. It needed to be look like a little bit more pro. You prefer the old one? Yeah, I mean, nothing wrong with that. I think it wants to go back down, by the way, to that 12 area. I don't know what you guys think. Yeah, I think it wants to go. I took a short at 58 here. On a Bulenox account only. Ah. Difficult to see the codes. Yeah, I think so. It's a bearish market right now. I think so too. Don't worry, this is just a cheap evaluation account. But if it goes higher, I wonder how far it can go, right? I'm still kind of liking that liquidity void down there. Let's put on some... Okay, this is not relevant right now. There was a point of control up there from previous session. That was the low. I still believe that we should be going down there. Yeah. There was a low volume nod here. If it can get through this area, then yeah, probably it can go lower. Call the market makers, right? I will. Maybe I will. Norbert, hello. No, I'm not using that. I'm sorry about that. I just tried something. I was looking at something. Forget about that. I'm not putting on new elements. These are just, I mean, we have the demand zones, we have the liquidity void. These were always here, so nothing special. Just the same things, nothing more than usually. So nothing extraordinary here. Okay, I closed the short trade, by the way, on that eval. Okay, it seems like it still wants to go down, but who knows. Right now, the current time, we're approaching 11 a.m. So let's check the 5-minute chart. Is there anything that we can go for? There is a zone here, again, a supply zone at 111, which is kind of close. But we still did not go to take out that liquidity void. Let's check the low here. Okay, neither the mini or the micro went down into the liquidity void. That's actually kind of crazy. So I'm gonna remain bearish, but let's wait until price can actually break this 53 area. Unbalanced volume, nice. Unbalanced volume seems interesting. Unbalanced volume, kind of like it. Hold on, I'm just messing up with the studio lights here. Okay, now it's better. Hey, David. Thank you for asking. Everything is good. So far, I'm just kind of waiting for the price to break lower than this 55 area. If it can do that, we have a potential to finally go down to that liquidity void. Otherwise, I think we might just go up there to that 110 level. Why not try that, right? Took a long position, targeting 107. Full porting and evaluation account right here. 70 micros. Just saying, 70 micros on the line here. This is it. And we did it. We just passed an account. We just passed the Bulenox account with this trade. Nice. Hey, Bull Barbie. Hello. Nice to see you, Barbie. I miss you. How's it going? You guys are having such a great, I mean, I'm having an awesome time. Sorry, don't misunderstand. I'm having a great time in the opening, but I want to talk to you guys, you and Myth. I miss being in that segment. Barbie, I need some time with you. I mean, on the segment. I need that. I really need that. It's happening. Yes. I hope so. Anyway, right now, hopefully, you know, we get through those technical glitches on the new MyFundedTV there you go. I can't speak. I'm malfunctioning here, so we can get through those glitches today. And I kind of like the new outlook. I mean, look and everything. I can't speak. There you go. I malfunctioned here. I don't even know, is the schedule gonna be final, guys? But I'm kind of liking this market open stuff. Barbie, I know, right? I know we need to malfunction together. I know that. We need to talk about this a lot. I can't believe we're okay. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna have such a good time. I forgot what I wanted to say. That's what happens. Anyway, we have a new funded account from Bulenox. Let's celebrate that. And maybe I'm going to full port an Apex account too. If this one goes again, let's see. It actually went into the zone. Man, if it goes down again, if it's gonna break this 53 area, I'm just gonna target that liquidity void, and I'm gonna choose an Apex account for that. Just, you know, just putting this out there. That's gonna be an Apex account. Apex account. Okay, that's not it. 312. Okay, it's gonna be the 312. Let's see. Can I actually do this? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Entry will be breaking that 53.50 area. This is not enough yet. We need to get down below this level, and then we can go full port the liquidity void. All right. Otherwise, not much is happening. I thought that gold is going to push through that 49. It's not going for it. It's very tricky. There is no demand zone down there that I like. So let's just leave it at that. The 5-minute looks still bearish. I'm liking it. Part of me really wants to take this trade. Okay. Enter the short on an Apex account. I have multiple accounts, don't worry. Enter the short here. I'm targeting 20 down there. Okay, there you go. Here's my trade. Let's see if it goes. Or if it's not, then it should be breaking that demand zone high up there. We'll see what happens. I have the best zones. Barbie, I thought that you have the best zones. Actually, I'm quite curious what zones you are having. I mean, what you're looking for in trading. So oh, this is gonna escalate real quickly. I see that. All right. We're gonna talk about zones a lot. Okay. Actually, this trade is not looking that good. I actually broke this rule because I kind of like that displacement here, but we had no fair value gap. But it still looks bearish on the 5 and the 15. It swept liquidity a little bit here, but on the 5-minute we have the zone up there. A little bit messed up, I know. The good news is we picked up liquidity from this fair value gap, so that kind of gives us another confirmation that we could be dropping down there again. Trading Star, hello. How's it going, man? How is trading? Okay, it's not going. It's not going yet. So if it's not gonna go, Dominic, hello. If it's not gonna go, I might be looking into this level here again. As I said, the 15 and the 5-minute looks kind of cool. I do like it. But we might see the market squeeze again a little bit higher, which is unfortunate, but it's part of trading. What's the update? Let us know. Currently at, let's go, 746. That's good. Down 196 and I'm done. There you go. That's discipline, Trading Star. You can easily walk away with that. That's actually just, that's a paper cut. That's nothing. 195. It's basically it's almost scratch. So you're good. You're absolutely good, Trading Star. That's good. You bought the 68.50 bounce. Not because 69 is better spot. You like the 69? I like the 69 too, Barbie. I like it. So I want to talk more about that thing. Jesus, actually there's that's a good level. That's a good level. I'm going to malfunction. And that's it. But I do like that. It's the play. Yeah. Yeah, I think you're right. I took short after 1 minute 9:35 AM candle. Oh, nice, Dominic. Good job there. Excellent. Excellent job. Oh man, I thought that this is gonna happen. Okay. So if it kind of creeps higher, then it should be going at least into the mid-level here, or to pick up liquidity in the at the 130s. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, exactly. You gotta be careful with the trailing. Come on, don't tell me that this is just gonna go back into the zone. It seems like it will. $40, I'll switch to micros. It's always the best decision to switch to micros. So it seems like that this trade is stuck here, but this is just an evaluation account. But I'm still kind of curious. Are we gonna drop down to that void or not? Can we do that? That would be the big question here. Is right there in the new, yeah. Yeah, we have the 26k there. We also have that volume low. The point is that I think retail would love to short this one, especially after the bounce here. And it does look like a bearish flag, but that's why it could be a squeeze all the way up there. Because everybody wants to short this. Everybody. Look at this. Everybody wants to short this one. And I'm not trusting it. Oh man. Maybe I should just close it as it is. Yeah, I'm kind of curious too how this is going to develop. I'm really curious. So far, it's just, you know, we're just watching paint dry. All right, there you go. There you go. Drop it. All the way. Oh no. Why is this doing it? Hold on. Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, this was a crazy move, right? Absolutely. It was interesting to watch this. I was actually almost sure, almost 100% sure, almost came through that this one should be breaking that 273, which it did not. Nice. It's always a great feeling when things are lining up. Nine AM news. Oh yeah. I like to learn everything, but you know, I'm always sticking with my base strategy here. But I truly believe that learning everything, learning more and more information can, you know, sharpen the mind and help us to get better. Obviously, I'm not talking about strategy hopping or anything, but yeah. Ah, deep premium. I see. Hello, teacher FX. How you doing, man? Short gold on the 1 hour. Let's go. Let me check that gold. Oh my gosh, what is going on? What is going on with gold? That's kind of interesting. Oh man, why is NQ doing this? If it goes up, then it should be breaking the actually, you know what? Yeah, it's then it should be breaking that 14 level up there. I really don't understand why this move is happening. Yeah, I'm closing down this one. Okay, let's see what happens now. If it goes higher, it should be going straight there in the middle of that zone. Wouldn't be surprised on liquidity sweep. Boom banana, hello. Ah, 70% of the situations with low resistance. Well, that's a good stat. Yeah, so far, but it seems like it might want to take more orders from this supply zone. This is the 5-minute supply zone here. We'll see. 15-minute demand zone. 15-minute demand zone. Where's the 15-minute demand zone? Maybe this one? No, that's not a demand zone. And Q is reaching off 15-minute demand. I don't see a 15-minute demand zone. Maybe I'm missing something here real quick. Just a second. NQ 15-minute demand zone. There's a 5-minute demand zone. Maybe that's what you're saying. It could be reaching down for it. Dun, 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 dun. Treat lunch or 11:30. Oh, so you're okay. You're saying from 11:30. All right. 9:30 to 11:30. I mean, I agree with that. That's usually the typical time for those moves.
Get back on.
Just checking my funded TV. Okay, all is good. I wasn't expecting this on a Monday, so I was expecting less movement, to be honest. Oh, I think I just passed an Apex account too. Okay, that's good. Let's see. Oh, instantly shorted 1 mini. Man, I don't know where this one wants to go, but I am willing to sacrifice maybe one more Bulenox account. Who knows? If it goes down. Why not having more accounts? Full ported. No, I won't. Instant short to 1 minute. Yeah. Let's see what it does. For now, I'm just gonna wait for the 60. I'm a sacrifice. The good old days. No, I have one more Bulenox account which I bought for $16. And I'm gonna get a rebill anyway. So why not try to go short, right? So let's try to do that. Okay, so I actually went short on the Bulenox evaluation account. A little bit oversized the position, but doesn't matter. There you go. Let's see. Let's see. This is the account. Can we pass this account? I don't know. I think I went in too much micros here. I hadn't had the time to switch because I just saw that this one could be dropping. But eventually it should be dropping down to that area. So I'm not gonna short 10 minis. But we'll see. The problem is with the pullback, you know. That's the problem. I mean, retracement in this case, you see? That's the problem. If it retraces back up there, the account is blown. So I'm really hoping for a drop here, which is not happening really. Because the intraday trading, look at that, this account is going to get blown up. Yeah, the buffer is hard. All right. Oh man, I don't like this. It should be dropping. Yeah, you gotta, I mean, on the funded account, when it's intraday trailing, you gotta go small size, base hits. That's what you need to do, right? That's the only thing you can do. Oh my god, look at this. The bounce is the problem. Whenever it bounces, I'm just losing maximum loss. I think my stop out is around the break-even level, so it's not looking good, guys. This account is ready to blow up. But it's okay. You're bearish. All right. Okay. Yeah, more buy side would have been better, I think. Now, because it didn't really took buy side, I didn't really take the buy side. It's just not that good. That's the problem. No, I'm not a genius. I'm definitely not a genius. I'm just I'm not doing this. What you see here, never do this on a funded account. Never, ever, ever. All right. And I'm only doing this on the cheapest evaluation accounts out there. Never on the funded accounts. All right. Never, ever, ever. Oh, look at this. Oh, no. The problem is my maximum loss limit is now somewhere around 70-ish area, 71. There's a very high chance that we're gonna get a bounce and this is just gonna blow up. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep my addiction gambling thing on the cheap evaluation accounts. Well, the idea could be still good that it should be going down to that 26 and 12, but look at this, man. It looks crap. Looks very crappy. I know, Dominic. I know you are. I know. I'm gonna get stopped out from this one. Maximum loss limit. Auto liquidation. Okay. I only have a few $100 here left. Almost out. Account almost blown up. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Looks terrible. It looked good. It looked good. It did. Oh no. Okay, almost out. Almost out. Yeah, it's done. Guys, this account is cooked. All right, there you go. Account blown officially. Boom. All right, $16 down the drain. I'm gonna get rebuild, I think tomorrow or after tomorrow. I don't know. Never mind. I passed 2 accounts today. Okay. I'm only DJing when it's cheap. I'm not doing this on funded accounts. Only when it's cheap. The cheap evals. I like to go DGen on the cheap evals. Still, I mean, this pullback here, so retracement here on this 1 minute, almost like a bearish breaker, by the way. I think it could go lower. Nobody's name showing up. That's the problem. It's something with the YouTube algorithm. Something came up. It's not just on my end. It's on a lot of streamers' chat. I don't know why is this. Not every. I mean, I checked on some streams, not everywhere, but on many live streamers, the custom names are disappeared. Yeah, different handle names.
We shall see. So how was your weekend? What'd you do over the weekend? How'd the trick-or-treating going?
I had such a busy weekend. Like I got home late last night, so I'm still like playing catch up a little bit this morning because we had Halloween. So that was Friday night, got home late, and then I had to get up early, go to Circuit of the Americas because we had a car show and race to do there. I got to drive one of my cars on the track, so that was awesome.
Nice.
And then yesterday, I've just been playing Austin Tourist all weekend. And then we were back in Austin again for the MLS game, the Austin FC versus LA Galaxy. That did not exactly go well, but it was still fun. So we got to go into a suite.
Sub to the channel. Turn note. Okay.
And I used to drive there. It's like a 90-minute drive for me to go out to.
Notice really like YM is usually like the crazy one.
I was trying to watch the UT game, but we were literally on the racetrack, and I wasn't really watching, so I was just listening to it on the radio. Caught a little bit of Premier League, but not very much football at all.
Yeah, it looks like they played pretty well in the first. I mean, 2-3.
Man, what is going on? I'm not interested in this trade at all. Look at this. Went up there. Knight might just wants to continue to drop. Yeah, Dominic, I agree. It's awful right now. Yeah, because the main move was this. I think this was the main move. Now, even if it goes down there, it could just happen in the no giveaway at Business Lens. Sorry, but we're on it. I'm gonna release the link and the video tonight or tomorrow. Oh, nice, Dominic. She doesn't know. All right. Careful with that, Dominic. Careful. Don't let yourself get caught. Man, I feel like this one wants to go. I really do feel like that this one wants to go. We were so close. Kind of wondering if it still wants to go down or not. Bounces all around the place. If it goes up, let me just get this off here. If it goes up, there is the probability that we might just see this one breaking this high at 104. What do you guys think? I think there's a high chance for it. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's gonna test the 100 again, or not. Yeah, most likely. That's what we need to look for. Question is it want to sweep some orders above the 100, or it's finished up there? That's the big question. Trading Star, I just got your message. Man, today is a little bit difficult. Oh, I just sent it to you. Trading Star, you can add it wherever you prefer, you think is good. Wherever you think it would be better. Just add it there. If you think it's better on the end, if there's some space, you know, wherever at the code, add it there. It's up to you. Absolutely, Trading Star. We are multi-communicating. Okay. Guys, what should we do? Oh, that's scale account. Okay. These Bulenox accounts are actually going for the third payout, hopefully. It's almost at 3,000. This one is almost at 3,000. This one is almost at 3,000. These are the 5 new core accounts. So today I went a little bit crazy, $954. But the other ones, I was lucky to be able to get these back. These were down negative $700. So I mean, this was really tough, but eventually managed to make it back. All right, everybody, I think I'm going to call it here. I think this is it, because I feel if I start to trade more, I'm gonna do some stupid things, stupid decisions. So it's better to stop now until I'm not gonna do something that I will regret. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow for London and New York as well, and MyFunded TV. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use my code. It's up there, TOMSABO. It works for all these prop firms, including now Lucid Trading, FundingTicks, TRADEIFY as well. If you want some instant funded accounts, Funded Futures Network, MyFundedFutures, of course. Don't forget the core accounts and the new Flex promo. Apex is down 70% with $40 lifetime activation fee. That's very good. Take advantage of that. Bulenox still 75% on option 2 accounts too. Take Profit Trader, guys. Take Profit Trader and TRADEDAY. Daily payouts, daily withdrawals from your account. That is absolutely mentally good. So take advantage. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are amazing. I'll be back tomorrow for London. God bless you all. Cheers.